Okay, moving on to more questions on the review. If you are given all the rest of the questions, you can use a calculator. If this says find the slope of each line, you want to be able to move from this point to this point. So to move from this point, you would need to go down 1, 2, 3. So you went down by 3. And then you move over 1, 2, 3, 4. So you went right by 4. If you go down, that's going to be a negative number. When you go right, that's a positive number. Of course, you could have gone from here up and over. So if you would have gone up, you would have gone 1, 2, 3. So up by 3, and then left 1, 2, 3, 4, left by 4. When you go left, that is a negative number. So that would be 3 divided by negative 4. Of course, Gels likes her negative sign's in the numerator. So then I would just move it to the top. Okay, on this one right here, if I'm going to figure out the slope, which I know is the change in y, I should have said that over here, over the change in x. Then to move from here to here, I would go down by 2, so down 1, 2. But then I don't have to move left or right, I'm already here. So the change in x was 0. So this would be negative 2 over 0. Because I'm trying to divide by 0, I would say that the slope is undefined. Okay? Or I could have gone up by 2, but still I would not move left or right, so it would have been a positive 2 over 0, still undefined. Find the slope through each pair of points. So I need to use the formula m equals, I know it's the rise over the run, that's the change in y over the change in x. So that's y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So I have my points xy, xy, I'll call these 1s, I'll call these 2s. So I'm going to have 4 minus 4 divided by negative 9 minus 10. 4 minus 4 is 0, negative 9 minus 10 is negative 19, but it doesn't matter because 0 divided by any number is 0. And this is simplifying, and you need to simplify. Number 13, exact same process. M equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So I have my xy, my 1s, my 2s. I'm going to have 7 minus 10. 7 minus 10 divided by negative 2 minus negative 19. Negative 2 minus, right, because that's coming over from the formula, negative 2 minus negative 19. 7 minus 10 is negative 3. Negative 2 minus negative 19, I really add those numbers, so it's going to be 17. Okay, negative 3/17, which is the dates of my birthday, March 17th. Not that you wanted to know, but I will take presents. Alright, and the last one, m equals the change in y over the change in x. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So xy, 2s, 1s. I have negative 18 minus, because that's part of the formula, y sub 1 is negative 19. Divided by x sub 2, which is 18, minus from the formula, 18. Okay, subtracting a negative is really adding. Negative 18 plus 19 is a positive 1. 18 minus 18 is 0. This slope is undefined because we cannot divide by 0. Find the slope of each line. This is already in y equals mx plus b form. So if I'm supposed to find the slope, slope is the coefficient of x when you're in y equals mx plus b form. So that's super easy. M equals 9/2. Notice m does not equal 9/2 x. M is simply m, the number being multiplied to the x when we're in slope-intercept form. Okay.